Hello everyone. My name is Gardon NCF Villegas and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking something super important, conserving energy and other previous resources. We all want a healthy planet, right? And it starts with a small everyday changes. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about kitchen. Did you know that your fridge and oven are some of the biggest energy uses in your home? Switching to energy efficient models with an Energy Star rating can make a huge difference. Look for those labels. Also, try to avoid opening the fridge too often. That lets all the cold air escape. And when you're cooking, use lids on your pots and pans to speed up cooking time and save energy. Next, let's conquer the living room. This is where we often leave lights on and electronics plugged in, even when we're not using them. Make it a habit to switch off lights when you leave a room. And unplugging chargers and other devices when not in use prevents phantom energy drain. That's energy being used even when they're turned off. Consider using power strips to easily switch off multiple devices at once. Now let's head to the bathroom. Water conservation is key. Shorten your showers, fix any leaky faucets immediately, and consider installing a low-flow shower head. These small changes add up to significant savings over time. And don't forget to turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Beyond energy, let's talk about reducing waste. Recycling is essential, but reducing consumption is even better. Say no to single-use plastics whenever possible. Bring your own reusable bags to the grocery store. Use a reusable water bottle and choose products with minimal packaging. Composting food scraps is also a great way to reduce landfill waste and create nutrient-rich soil for your garden. Finally, let's consider transportation. Walking, cycling, or using public transportation whenever possible reduces your carbon footprint significantly. If you need to drive, consider carpooling or choosing a fuel-efficient vehicle. So there you have it. Conserving energy and resources doesn't have to be a huge undertaking. It's all about making small conscious choices every day. Every little bit helps, and together we can make a big difference for our planet. Thanks for watching.